the points table because number 4 is the club. It's not easy to wipe off such a big difference. But morning is Navneet. Good morning, Navneet. Welcome. Since their defense is very weak, they'll have to understand. They'll have to make a lot of men's with the raiding department. No, it's Surya Prakash, the captain for today's match. He's taking the ownership. This is nice. I mean, he's not allowed Gagannath to come in first. He wants to take up the responsibility first up.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल कभी कभी होता है। और शायद नवीन आप भी मेरी टीम में रहते और मैं कप्तान रहता तो क्या पता मैं ही पहले रेड लगाने चला जाता। यहाँ पे सूर्य प्रकाश, क्या वो जो सबसे शानदार खिलाड़ी है आपका, क्या वो काबिल नहीं होता है?
Yeah, it's a good point of discussion. As Ajay Ananda Krishna comes in, has he crossed over? Yes, he has. Multiple points for Jai Chitra Club. This is Ajay Ananda Krishna at his best.
And 1 out.
And it's Velamal super raid of the match. Wonderful. Yeah, let's talk about that Kabil factor after looking at this. Navneet, again, the confidence from that right cover was good that he put in with that ankle hold, but this time outside the...
वहाँ पे पटके गए थे और 6 और 1। क्या बहुत शानदार शुरुआत मिली है जय चित्रा क्लब को। क्या इसे ये बरकरार रख पाएंगे या केआर स्पोर्ट्स वापस आएगी? 2 खिलाड़ी यहाँ पे, एक दाहिने एक बाएं। कनीश्वरन को पकड़ने की कोशिश, लेकिन वो फोर्स लगा रहे। यहाँ पर क्या होता है देखना है। और 2 पॉइंट सफाया कर दिया गया है केआर स्पोर्ट्स का।
A very bad technique and strategy, isn't it? Gauri Shankar was inducted in as a defender for a super tackle, and Uti Goodies' super tackle was not the way that it has to be coming in for a goodie. Yeah, there. Look at this. Surya Prakash, the captain today. Of course, he's a...
6 मिनट के खेल में 12 पॉइंट बना है। 12 पॉइंट में केआर स्पोर्ट्स को सिर्फ मिला है एक। जय चित्रा क्लब, जिसे जेएसजी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, वो 11 पे खेल रहे हैं। सूर्य प्रकाश यहाँ पे रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं। डू और डाई रेड में देखना है क्या करती है केआर स्पोर्ट्स। और वक्त गुजरेगा तो सूर्य प्रकाश पे, उनके प्रकाश पे असर पड़ेगा, उनकी एनर्जी पे असर पड़ेगा। और एनर्जी हुई खत्म, पकड़े गए सूर्य प्रकाश।
जय चित्रा क्लब। रेडर।
Confusion, he just goes back. Ramakrishna Murthy. And now it's a do or die. And oh, what a backhold! What a lovely backhold!
Jai Chitra Club.
Right, he attempted a bonus first. He went in as if it was a suicidal raid. It was a suicidal raid. He went in, attempted that bonus first, Karthi. But then look at that for a solo tackle. Very good work from Krishnakant. It does not go to Ganganath in the tackle attempt. It will go to that left cover defender, Jnaneshwaran. Oh, he's been blinded! Krishnakant!
Raider out. 1 point. Jai Chitra Club.
He's becoming specialist in those have this problem. I don't believe the covers to do any better. Look at Krishnakant. 4 points in the 10 tackles that he's attempted. Wow. So that means they're giving him so much opportunities. Now diving angle out. Couple of points to Ganganath.
2 points.
He's wiped off both the corners.
Jersey number 2
Balamurugan
and 52
and Krishnakant. Yeah, that is good. It's a super tackle situation, so that's nice of Dandapani to bring it on. Yeah, 12 unsuccessful tackles. That shows, they have struggled with the defense. Always a running attack. Again, Ganganath proves why he's such an important player. Sivasurya, who's just come in and needs to go back on the bench. I think that's the end of the first half.
Off time. Change the code.
Yeah, first half ends with a point to Ganganath. So he's been good, always. That is what happens, Navneet, where
फ्लैट लाइन थी और एक वक्त जो स्कोर था 2 खिलाड़ी रह गए। क्या गंगानाथ नवीन यहाँ पे सफाया कर सकते हैं?
No, Navneet, he should go back. He should go back. I told you he should go back because it was a super tackle and the first 2 order raid would have come in. Oh, he's cleaned up. He's cleaned up. That's very good.
4 points.
My God, finally the fighting Ganganath has inflicted the all-out. I was just saying Jai Chitra Club, would have had a better chance if Ganganath could have gone back because the first 2 order raid would have come in for KR Sports. But look at this for an escape. A definite East my trip kabaddi Kamal moment.
Jersey number 5.
Yeah, he crossed out in a very.
Do or
Who's
die.
going into the grinder? And not Ajay Ananda Krishna, not Kaniswaran, it's Balaji. Navneet, this is why I always say you don't send in your best raider to the do or die raid, because it's 5 defense. You don't have anything to pick up. He's playing on the back line. This is a grinder, and he will grind himself out. Wow!
Safe, 2 points.
That's nice.
Jai Chitra Club. Jersey number 11
The
and 14
platform
out.
was set for a big showdown. But the problem is the
ऐसे दूसरे स्टेट के भी चैंपियन एक साथ है तो एक चैंपियंस लीग खेली जा सकती है.
that is what I was suggesting to the team, as they call it. But yeah, I mean that is probably not in the context. I think Navneet, yeah, that's a very good idea, where
One
all
point,
the
Jai Chitra
champions
Club.
of the state
Jersey number
run,
1 out.
series like this should be playing the UA Kabaddi
Submission,
series.
KR Sports.
Probably-
Jersey number 7 in.
I don't
15
know
out.
what the setup is. So yeah, talking about the champions playing together, it might happen in a very far future, but not now. For that, many hands needs to come together like this. It's a combination tackle. Ajay Ananda Krishna has been
1
pulled
point,
back.
KR Sports.
Oh, that's good. It's really nice. Yeah. And he also said to Adityan, if you can't play, come out. Why are you standing there? That exactly what has happened now.
1 point. Jai
Krishna
Chitra
Kant
Club.
goes in very easily for the ankle hold, keeps Aditya on play, please come out. Oh, what is this? Ah ha ha! Kaniswaran Anadore has been
2 points.
put down
KR
in the
Sports.
Ooties Goodies super tackle. Sasi Kumar Velusamy, he exactly did what Ramesh Kumar asked him to do.
Red.
If you have been given an opportunity, utilize it. He did utilize it. Wow, that is very rare. As an idea, as a thought, it's very rare. They are the hydration partners for us in this Velamal Yuva Kabaddi Series TN 2024. And another super tackle on Kaniswaran Anadare. Couple of times he's been pinned down by the KR Sports defense. Ramesh Kumar's talks have created a stir in the heart of Sasi Kumar Velusamy. Second super tackle for him. Ooty Goodies super tackle. That's nice, Navneet, isn't it?
Red.
जी कमाल का सुपर टैकल देखने को मिला है, लेकिन कहते हैं ना देर आए लेकिन नहीं आए, और बहुत देर कर दी जनाब आते आते ऐसा कहा जाता है, लेकिन गंगानाथ की जो जादू है वो भी अब नहीं चल रही है.
Yeah, because I think Krishna Kant has got his high five. Yes, you just be very low on the mat. Don't go attack him first. Let him come in and then you try and get him out. Kaniswaran Anadare, once again he's come in for a super tackle situation. Navneet, couple of times he's been tackled down. He now needs to take that revenge. There's a little bit of a vengeance going in. Ah, Ramesh Kumar told that don't have the advanced tackle going in. Sasi Kumar Velusamy does not, and Krishna Kant high five. Navneet, the division of labor equally distributed.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल, बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. गंगानाथ, ये खिलाड़ी मुझे बहुत भाया है, और गर्मियों का मौसम है. आपने क्या आम खाया है?
Red.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल खाया है, लेकिन now tell me something, when is the last time?
3 points.
Yeah,
Jai Chitra.
that's a super raid
Jersey
now.
number 5.
As I said, it's just
11
going through
and
with the
19
motions.
out.
When was the last time that you've eaten the mango without cutting it?
Red.
I mean,
Right, and then when you just suck it from the tip of the mango,
Match over.
that is the original taste. But here, the original taste has come in from Jai Chitra Club. First victory.
वही जरूरत होती है आपको जीवन में, और